Hi there, this is RapidPipeline for Blender, a Blender add-on that integrates the power of RapidPipeline directly into Blender to transform your 3D workflow. This video covers the essentials so you can start using this amazing tool. Let's start with a quick download and installation guide. To download the add-on, log into your RapidPipeline account in our web UI and go to the Plugins section on the menu. You'll find different versions available for download. For using the add-on with CAD models, make sure to download a version including CAD support. Once downloaded, open Blender to install it. We recommend that you use the latest Blender version, currently Blender 4.4. Go to the Edit menu, Preferences, and Get Extensions tab. Click the arrow on the top right corner, select Install from Disk, and choose your downloaded zip file. That's it. The add-on has been installed. The RapidPipeline add-on is designed to integrate seamlessly in Blender. It is still evolving, so even if your version looks a little bit different than the one I'm showing, most of it will work the same. Let's take a quick UI tour. You can find the Blender add-on by opening the Properties panel or right sidebar in Blender with the shortcut N. You will see a RapidPipeline tab. This is where the add-on lives. If it's your first time installing the add-on, your UI will probably show a message like this. This means you need to identify yourself by adding an API token. You can either create one directly here, or go to the web UI and create one in the section API Tokens. Now, you should see the add-on UI. Let's take a closer look. At the bottom of the add-on panel, you will find some functional tools. The Help button leads you to the documentation. The Override CLI API Token button, under the About section, allows you to see and update your API token. If you want to see and manage your add-on seats, you can go to the web UI to do so. At the top of the panel, you will see the level selection, where you can choose between Basic, Advanced, or Expert. These levels will filter the shown settings based on complexity. Below that is the Settings tabs, where all our settings are organized by category like Import or Optimize. The Settings tabs are very similar to the ones in our web UI. RapidPipeline offers a lot of settings useful for very different use cases, like decimation, remeshing, UV generation, removing invisible or small geometry, compression, and more. To learn more about specific settings, you can go to our documentation. There are different ways to set up your settings. You can manually select the settings you want to use in the different Settings tabs. The settings can then be exported using the Save button, so you can use them later. Or you can import settings if you have already saved some, or if you downloaded settings from the web UI. We have some ready-to-use presets there, so you can easily get started. Now let's see how to work with CAD models. RapidPipeline has support for a wide range of CAD formats, like SolidWorks, Rhinoceros 3D, and more. You can find more information about our supported formats in our asset guidelines. To import a CAD model, you can simply use the CAD Import button and select your model. Just like this, your CAD model gets automatically tessellated. You can directly export this model to any format you like using Blender, or use settings to optimize it, like creating UVs, decimating, removing invisible geometry, and more. Once you have already selected or imported your settings, processing your model is super easy. Select the mesh you want to process in object mode. The great part of the add-on is you can select multiple meshes or single ones. This way you could process different meshes with different settings if you wanted to. Then click on Run and get your processed output. The output will be moved into a new collection, and the input is still in your scene, it is just hidden. Note that the processing happens locally with no data exchange, and we offer batch processing possibilities on-premise via CLI. You can adapt your output as needed, use it inside Blender, or export it. These are the basics on RapidPipeline for Blender. Try it for free now.